What is going on, Beaverton, Oregon? My name is Eric Alcazar, owner and operator of P1 Auto Detail, where we specialize in paint correction, ceramic coatings, and auto detailing services. And in this video, I am going to be paint correcting and ceramic coating this GMC truck. Now, paint correction is just a fancy word of saying I'm going to remove surface level scratches and oxidation to restore the shine and pretty much just have a clean surface to work with when it comes to ceramic coating. You definitely want to have a smoother surface for the ceramic coating to actually bond properly and to make it last as much years as it should be. In this case, I'm going to be applying a 10-year ceramic coating. It's called a lifetime coating. And although this vehicle does have a lot of isolated deep scratches and deeper scratches than usual, this specific customer just wanted to do a one step just to remove the light swirl marks that you will be able to see like in the sun. It has like a swirl pattern, as well as the light oxidation, once again to restore that beautiful shine. Some people don't really care for the level of paint corrections. They just really want to protect their vehicle for as long as they decide to keep it. And in this case, this truck is actually my father's. He has helped me a lot throughout the year that I've actually been doing paint correction, auto detailing, and ceramic coating services. So just pretty much giving back to him. Nonetheless, this is a great example of what it means to work with your clients. He didn't really mind the imperfections in the paint, just wanted to, again, protect the life of the vehicle itself. Right here, this stage is the preparation stage. Every single time you do a paint correction, there's always going to be minimal amounts of waxes or polish residue. You definitely want to have a clean slate again, so this panel prep is what it's called. Just ensures that every last bit of polish is removed before applying the ceramic coating. So now moving into the ceramic coating part, it is recommended to wear a face mask just because of how strong the actual product is. For this vehicle, I am applying SystemX 10-year ceramic coating, in which I am certified and qualified to install SystemX coatings. So that's another reason as to why ceramic coatings are the price they are. A great way to think about it is just as an investment for the long run of your vehicle. When you go to trade it in or to resell it, the price of the vehicle won't decrease as much just because it has been maintained and has a very strong protective barrier between the paint and the outside world. That's another reason as to why ceramic coatings are priced the way they are, not just because of applying the actual ceramic coating itself, but the expertise that comes with it. If you have any questions or concerns about paint correction, ceramic coatings, or even auto detailing for that matter, please feel free to contact us through our email and phone number down below. Thank you so much for watching and hope to hear from you soon.